Have a good day, dear students. My name is Mayuri Karya. I hope you all are well at your home. Today we will see the quick recap of Chapter 1, Standard 6, Social Science, Civics, NCERT book. The book name is Social and Political Life 1. In this we will see the quick recap of Chapter 1, Understanding Diversity. Unit 1, Diversity. We will see first the mind map of the chapter. Diversity in India. Diversity in India. How do we explain diversity? Movement from one place to another in search of for food and shelter. Okay, so people are move because they need to search food and shelter. Now, how do we explain diversity? Okay, so why diversity is being occurred? So means people are moving one place to another place because of that diversity is being occurred. So for first reason is for moving or migrating, movement from one place to another place in search of food and shelter. Second one, different culture got mind. Okay, so means different people are interacting with different cultured people, so different culture are got minded. Okay, next one, people carried their culture with them. Okay, so if for example Gujarati people are migrating in Punjab, so obviously the people are going with their own tradition, their own culture. Okay, so people carried their culture with them. Okay, next, people adapt according to the geographical areas in which they live. Okay, so means some of the culture is being changed because of that geographical culture. Okay, so because of that means in a culture also variation is coming, though the people are belonging from same community, but in different geographical phenomena the people are living. So obviously means they people would observe the different tradition or different culture according to their geographical phenomena. Okay, different kind of work done by people. Okay, so means different kind of works are done by the people. That is also means the main reason. Now next thing, what does diversity add to our lives? Now what is the role of diversity in our life? So first one, different cultures and customs. Okay, so means different cultures and customs is being occurred, different kind of food to eat. For example, if in our neighboring Punjabi people are living, so their food food habits are different. Okay, so means different food to eat. Next one, different festivals to celebrate. We know this in different state different festivals are being celebrated. For example, when in Gujarat Uttarayan or Makar Sankranti is being celebrated, at the same time in Punjab Lohri is being celebrated, in Kerala Onam is being celebrated. Okay, so in different part the same festival is being celebrated in a different name. Now a variety of clothes to wear. So we know very well, the variety of clothes state wise we are having a clothes sense different. Okay, now different language to learn. Okay, so in our all states different languages are there. This one is somehow, this diversity is a specialty of our India. That's why Nehru has used this word diversity, unity in diversity. Okay, now next, making friends story about the boy from different religious backgrounds. Okay, so how they meet and friends develop between them. So that Sameer and Sameer, though example we have seen, they are totally different from by the background. One is Muslim, one is Hindu. one is literate, one is illiterate, one can go to school, one has to means sell the newspaper. Okay, so means totally different backgrounds they are having, difference in literacy status also. Okay, so one is going to school and one has to means sell the newspaper. So that different, the name of the both have were same, that Samir. Okay, but both life and means culture tradition are different. Now next, unity in diversity. India's national anthem is also an expression of the unity of diversity. We know very well, means all states name and all states culture has been explained. Okay, so now people show how they were united against the British. Okay, to show their unity, people show that their unity against the British colonial rule. Now women and men from different culture, religious and regional backgrounds come together to oppose during British rule. Okay, so people have been gathered against the British rule at that time and show their unity in diversity. And this unity in diversity word has been phrase has been used by the Jawaharlal Nehru. India's diversity is source of its strength. Okay, when India has been India had got the freedom now, at that time means biggest leader of the India had means fear that in India too much means diversity is there, so maybe there would be a means many kind of means people means they are having their different religion, culture, different region in the people are living, they are having means different languages, so maybe the people will differentiate between each other. But the thing happened opposed, it happened vice versa. People has been lived means in a unity. Okay, that's why the Nehru has used the word unity in diversity. Now next example of diversity, first one is from Kerala. Okay, first from Kerala, a state in southwest corner of India. See on one side and hills on the other side. So means geographical phenomena they have explained. Spices like pepper, cloves and cardamoms are grown. Attractive places for traders. Religions like Judaism, Islam, Christianity, Hinduism and Buddhism are followed. People eat rice, fish and vegetable. Now why different religions are being followed? Because means Kerala is attracting traders for its means spices and clothes. Okay, so now means different cultures, traders are coming there, so obviously means Keralian people are means interacting with different culture people. So by the time means by the passing of over the time of the years, means the people have been accepted many religion. Okay, so now next, Ladakh, desert in the mountains, very little agriculture possible, people depend on the melting show for the drinking water. Ladakh is means on the border of China. Okay, so mountainous region, very cold means weather, people depending on the melting show the drinking water, means rivers are there but it is frozen, so they have to wait for melting the water. Ships and gods are kept by people, so means the people are rearing the ships and gods. People eat meat and milk products. Okay, but Buddhist and Muslim population is mostly found. So here means two regions are there of India. One is Kerala, that is southernmost part of the India, and here is Ladakh, that is the northernmost part of the India. It belongs to the same country, but because of its geographical phenomena and over the period means they interacting with the different traders or means different people, both are having different means culture. Okay, so here the people have been shown the diversity of India. Now let's we next see important notes of the chapter. Chapter 1, Political Science, Understanding Diversity. Mankind inherited a variety of things from Mother Nature. This includes plants, trees, flowers, birds, animals, rivers, etc. Diversity, the variety and range we see in things is termed as diversity. Okay, so variety of the nature, that is called the diversity. In India, diversity can be seen in many things like religion we follow, language we speak, the food we eat, the clothes we wear, race we belong to, the many more thing. Okay, race means the means color of the people, black and white. Okay, now social groups. First one, human is social being and cannot fulfill all his needs on own. By own he cannot fulfill all his needs. So human depend on each other and social group to fulfill this need. Second one, these various groups are family, community and nation. Now, can friends be different? Yes, for that we have seen the example of Samir Ekendo. Nothing stop people from being friend with people of different backgrounds. One can be friend with any person even if they belong to different social, religious and economic background. Right to education has made provision for poor family children to study in public school. This has helped to reduce economic inequality in education. Okay, now how do we explain diversity? First one, man initially led a nomadic life. Okay, we know very well. Firstly, means early human was living a nomadic life. In later time, man began to mingle with different people of the society. Okay, this led to emerge of the diversity. Okay, so means people started to mingle with each other and this led to a emergence of diversity and interdependence. First one, within a social group, diverse type of activity are performed and depending on culture, skills, interest and education. Okay, so different people are having their own culture, their own skill, their own interest in on means education. Second one, to fulfill one's need, people depend on each other. So means to fulfill one's need, people has to be depend on each other. Third one, with the one side of globalization, the concept of interdepending between diverse area has got boost. Okay, so now because of globalization, people have been dependent more on each other. Unity in diversity. India is a land where unity and diversity runs parallel to each other. India is a unique country. Okay, that's why we have seen, means we have heard the song of women's परदेश, that लंदन देखा, पेरिस देखा, सब देखा मेरी जान, सारे जग में कहीं नहीं है दूसरा हिंदुस्तान. Because our India has means unity in diversity. Second one, India is a place where people speak different languages, wear different attire, practice different religion, eat different cuisines and inherited diverse culture, but yet live together happily. Okay, एकता में अनेकता ही हमारी शान है, इसलिए मेरा भारत देश महान है. Okay, unity in diversity, here you can see. Now Kashmir and Kerala, means here the people have been given the means case study. Kashmir is a beautiful place located in north part of the India. Kashmir is famous for its, we have seen the Ladakh na, so Ladakh is obviously Kashmir, so here the people have been used word Kashmir. Okay, Kashmir is a beautiful place located in northern part of India. Kashmir is famous for its scenic beauty, houseboats and cultivation of fine qualities of saffron, apple and walnuts. The famous cuisine include vazavan and kawah. People wear woolen due to cold climate. Firhan is a popular attire along with headgear and scarves. Kashmiri is widely spoken here. People here follow the ethic of Islam and Buddhism. Eid, Lohri, Diwali are among the festivals celebrated here. Okay, this one is the scenario of Kashmir. Now Kerala. Kerala is a beautiful place located in southern part of India. Kerala is famous for its scenic beauty and cultivation spices like cloves, cinnamon. The famous cuisine include puttu and appam. Men wear mundu and women wear sari. Malayalam is widely spoken here. People who follow the ethic of Hinduism, and Onam is the main festival celebrated here. Okay, besides of Hinduism, the people are following Muslim, Islam, Buddhist. Okay, all the means religions the people are following. Why? Means the people came in a interaction with the different traders who are belonging from different culture. Okay, so here means the people have been given the two case study. Here they have given the picture of Kashmir. Okay, and here is the Kerala. Okay, you can see the famous Karelian dance Kuchipudi here. So means this one here, this one is a diversity between two places of the same country, India. Okay, so by this they are want to explain you that how diversity is being existed in India. Okay, still our India is one nation, that is called the unity in diversity. Okay, so means this thing has been mentioned in the Jawaharlal Nehru's book Bharat Ek Khoj. Okay, Discovery of India. So I hope you like this lecture. Thank you so much.